technology in transforming Indian agriculture, and startups are at the forefront of this revolution. Welcome viewers to My Startup TV. I am your host Aishwarya. I am here with another episode of What's the Trend. India presently has 450 plus agri-tech startups. The sector is growing at a rate of 25% a year. B2B agri-tech startups in the country are fast maturing and generating decent revenue by making use of advanced technologies. This has attracted direct global and sector-focused funds. Post-harvest losses are estimated to be about Rs 90,000 crore in India annually. The post-harvest losses occur due to mismanagement of resources, lack of basic infrastructure, and bad supply chains. In rural India, there are many startups which are creating solutions so that farm losses can be eliminated. Many startups are working on creating supply chain efficiency in all the farming processes. Ninja Cart, India's largest B2B fresh produce supply chain startup, has created a direct linkage between the farms and groceries and helped farmers realize 20% more revenue than the existing market. Some startups are using big data analytics and artificial intelligence to optimize farm management. Extensive use of data and data being collected through IoT sensors are helping in deriving better farming strategies. This will help farmers be ready for any adversity in the weather conditions, prevent spoilage, and ensure the good health of crops. Gramophone is a startup that provides actionable insight to farmers on its app using data science. Then there are startups which focus on the financial aspect of farming. These startups strive to help farmers in their financial challenges through their digital lending platform. Gurugram-based FarmMart offers cashless credit to small farmers. The startup has created a 50-point credit assessment algorithm for agricultural loans. Presently, several Indian states have established agri-tech policies with public-private partnerships and government support. Factors like availability of good quality farm data, better regulatory environment for startup funding, and cheap internet connectivity are some of the factors leading to a thriving agri-tech startup ecosystem in the past few years. A rise in farm incomes over the past 10 years has also enabled farmers to try experimenting with new technologies to enhance their yields. With the given pace of investments, the agri-tech sector may soon take the center stage of India's transformation. That's all for today. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our TV channel. Do check out. My Startup TV is now available on Google Play Store, so you can get all the latest news on startups and MSMEs on the move. You can also support us by subscribing to our TV channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can follow us on Koo, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in. Thanks for watching.